in the beautiful nature is always very good for the health. I always love to walk. Okay, please protect the nature, plant more trees. See how beautiful the nature is. When you walk in this nature, you feel so refreshed, you feel so relaxed. Thank you all. How beautiful the nature, the small lake. If we have that the sense to enjoy the nature, even the small lake, it can be the Lake Victoria. Okay, it is all about how we feel. Okay, so I'm on the way to the Kurubalkota, a great place. This one, there is also a railway track, there is a mountain. This place is very amazing. Okay, my father's relative, they stay here in Kurubalkota. My father's mother, elder sister. There is a sense of joy in every small things. Okay, it is how we feel that matters. Okay, see this lake, which is at the Kurubalkota, for me it seems like the Lake Victoria. See how beautiful the nature is. I was on the way. The moment I saw, I just stopped myself here and I started recording the videos. My relatives are calling me. Some 5 to 10 minutes I want to spend in nature. I'm addicted to nature. Some people are addicted to smoking, and some people are addicted to blah 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 blah. Okay, but I'm addicted to nature. I am addicted to nature. Wherever I see nature, I forget everything. Okay, I want myself to sit in nature for 5 minutes and rejoice it. I want to feel the power of nature. Okay, this is a small lake on the way to the Kurubalkota. Okay, so fascinating. As I said for you, nature gives us everything what we want. It is how we take and it is how we react to the things that matters a lot. There is joy in small things, and sometimes there is joy in big things. But it is how we take, how we feel, and how we react to it. This lake, I was fascinated by this. Okay, even though it is very small, it looks fabulous, friend. I want to call this as the Lake Kurubalkota. Okay, and also lots and lots of works are going on here. A railway track, and also there is something called as Kurubalkota railway station here, and there is the works for railway, and as well as the road works. Everything is going. You can see here, and also you can see there the works are happening. And here is my favorite superb Kurubalkota lake. Okay, it is very fabulous. That is why always in my videos I'll tell you, protect the nature, plant more trees. Okay, also save water. This is what we can give to our future generation. Okay, the fresh air, the fresh oxygen. If I sit here for some time on this river bank and if I watch this nature, sitting here in this river bank and watching this nature, your mind will feel so refreshed. Okay, this is what the nature is all about. The nature is divine. Protect nature and save nature. This is your Vishal Arudayi Bharati from the Kurubalkota lake. Thank you all. Stay blessed. Protect nature. Plant more trees. Plant more trees. Plant more trees. Save water. Save water. Save water. This is what we can give to our future generation. Thank you all. May all your dreams come true. నీళ్ళు వస్తే కొద్దిగా వేస్తారు. ఏమన్నా కొద్దిగా టమాటోతోనే ఇదే